Pitch, intonation, tuning, and double stops. Polo studies are really great for developing relative pitch. What's relative pitch? Well, a keyboard is calibrated so that every key plays that exact pitch, but stringed instruments need relative pitch. This is a really fancy way of saying that if you use a tuner to tune all four of your strings, your violin will sound slightly out of tune because your strings aren't pitched relative to one another. How can you train your ears to understand relative pitch better? It's a bit of an evolution. Best way to do it is to tune by ear. So tune your A string with an electronic tuner for a perfect A, and then gently play the chord and hear the two notes come together. Let me demonstrate. Here's an A I tuned earlier. Now, if I play that with my E, that I will just mess with a little bit. That sounds really dissonant. I would like my resonance to become a perfect fifth, so I'm aiming for an interval that won't exactly ring like sympathetic resonance, but it has a perfect feeling to it. It just takes practice. Feel that? If I keep going up, obviously this is getting further apart again. And that's how you hone in on it. Like I said, it's just practice. If your strings sound wrong, but you can't quite work out why they're wrong, just pick a direction and turn and make it more out of tune. It's actually easier to get back to that perfect fifth. Oh, it's getting worse. Okay, go back the other way. Okay, so I'm going to play the first Polo study. If you have the music, you might like to play along with me. It's all minims, and because we're droning on an open string all the time, this cultivates your ear towards developing relative pitch. There are a lot of resonant notes in here, and there are a lot of perfect intervals. And then there are lots of major sixths and sevenths and, thirds, seconds, unisons. Everything is in this first study, but it's just about developing your ear so that everything is better in tune all the time.